Hello. So in this video, we are going to look at potentiometer in tinkercad and how to connect it, how to use it. So first, maybe we need to have a battery to test, and also the potentiometer. The potentiometer, it has three legs. The middle leg is wiper and left and right. So terminal 1 and terminal 2. So when we connect the positive or negative to terminal 1 or terminal 2 is okay. And then the other legs, the middle leg, we have to connect to the ground or to the positive is okay too. So let's try with this LED light. So basically LED lights, they have two legs. The shorter one is the negative, and also the longer one is the positive leg. We need to connect to the positive so that it's correctly connected. And the shorter one is negative. And when we start to simulate this circuit, this will give us the result. So it's said here the current to the LED is 915 milliamp, while the absolute maximum is 20 milliamp. So which means that if we simulate this and we keep it until a certain of time, this LED would burn out. So here we need a resistor to persist the flow of the current. So let's bring 1 kilo ohm resistor and we connect it here, and then we would see the difference here. And here the light is dimmer than before, which means that the working hour, the lifetime of this LED would last longer because the current flow to LED is less than it was before. So now we talk about potentiometer. The potentiometer basically is the resistor that we can adjust the value. So this one is the fixed value. This one is 1 kilo ohm. So when we connect to this LED, it's the current flow to this LED is less than before when we don't have the resistor. But when we connect this LED with the potentiometer, it's not a fixed resistance, it's adjustable resistance. So we can connect this to terminal 1 or terminal 2, and the other one here we need to connect in the middle legs always. So when we start simulation, this we did not make any change. We did not adjust anything. The initial is this one. The the resistance of this potentiometer is 250 kilo ohms. So when we adjust, when we start simulation, it's so bright. And when we adjust this, the brightness will decrease accordingly. So here is very dim. So this means that it resists the current from 9-volt source to flow in LED. So this is how we use the potentiometer in tinkercad for a simple circuit like this. So if you want to know the current, we can bring out this ampere to measure this negative. So negative have to connect to negative because this one is from the negative, and we treat this the whole LED as a line, as a dot. So negative is come here and negative, or here is negative, so it should come to negative. And this positive, we have to come here because this positive it's wired with this potentiometer, and we treat the potentiometer as a dot or a line, which is basically positive and negative, and here is negative. So this we want to measure the current. So we start the simulation. The current is very small, that's why the the brightness of the LED is very dim. So when we adjust it, the current is higher and higher, and then it would really it get brighter and brighter. So and here is very small uh, value of the current that flow in the LED. So it has to be maximum this one. And yeah, that's it for the potentiometer, and that's connected in the simple circuit like this. So thank you very much. So hope to see you again in next video.